Hey everybody, we're back. If you're new, thanks for joining us. I'm Shannon, that's Coco. Click that subscribe button, please. And if you're not new, thanks for coming back. Y'all, today we have a huge mystery box. So many of y'all probably don't know this, but I do actually have an older sister. I have a big sister. Her name is Donnie. She lives in Washington. And I asked her daughter actually just graduated yesterday, my niece, so super exciting. But I asked her if her and my niece would make me a mystery box for $50, and then I would pay, you know, the shipping or whatever. So in total, came out to $20 for the shipping, and then mystery box $50. So $70. I will honestly say this box is massive compared to what I thought it was going to be. Like, this is a heavy duty freaking box, okay? Let's jump into it here. I don't even know if I have the space for this box. I thought I had scissors up here. Apparently I do not have scissors, so we're gonna use this piece of crap thing that I got from TJ Maxx that I 100. Oh, I just broke it! Holy crap! Oh my gosh! Yo, I totally just broke that freaking thing off. Let me see if I can saw it. That's dangerous. I'm being so dangerous. Sheesh. This way seems safer. Because she really taped this sucker up. I'm so excited. So we've had this for a couple of days and I have been dying to see what's in it because it's just so freaking, like, this is a big box. I really need some scissors or a knife, but I don't have either. I actually have scissors that I keep upstairs because I cut my own hair in my bathroom, and I think I trimmed my hair downstairs last time, so I don't have any scissors up here. Okay, we got it open. Have no clue where I'm gonna put it because there's no room because Coco has her entire caboodle up here of makeup. We've got crap everywhere, so we've got a lot happening right now. Let's clear a space out, y'all. Let me just, maybe I'll scoot back. I'll scoot back some, and I will have this bad boy on my lap. I don't mind my blue little underbra thing I got going on here. Oh, more tape. Oh, and she wrapped everything like this. Oh, there's notes too. There's notes. Oh my gosh. Yo, that's so stinking cute. Okay, just because we love Korean face masks and cute packaging. So a little note on there. Okay, so this will be a face mask. Oh, the Creme Shop, so cute. Love this, love this. And they all have colorful, they all have notes. They all have notes. Okay, my friend loves Vietnamese coffee. I don't know much about this company other than it's a woman of color owned, and tries to be eco-friendly, be intentional, try to shop businesses owned by humans. Oh, cute. Cute. This is actually, okay, so I love these. Coco, you just knocked over a lot of stuff. It's okay. Okay, y'all, I have to open this. So, in Japan, I used to actually buy these. I'll try to show you. I'm struggling to reach, but you put that thing inside your coffee cup and then you put steaming water in it, and it's kind of like a French press on the go. So I actually love these, and these are really, I used to get them in Japan. They had Starbucks ones at Costco. I've never found them anywhere else, but I'm so glad that we got that. When we were in Vegas, y'all, none of the rooms we were in had a coffee maker. So that was horrible. Let's just put it that way. Okay, this one, blue. Black coffee in a fabulous black-owned small business who does great things for the community. Spend like it matters. My sister is all about eco-friendly. She is all about uplifting minorities, women, giving back to the community. Oh, so it says Black Coffee Northwest. My mom actually brought me a pack of Starbucks cold cups that change color. So I guess these cups are like a big thing in she dropped her makeup. Okay, get a different palette, Coco. We've got so much to go through in here. Okay, we've got some bubbly pops. Okay, something fun just because we love the smell. Oh, Coco's leaving us, y'all. Coco, the co-host, says she's out of here. I don't want to just rip it up, but I think I'm gonna have to just rip it. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's Trolls, y'all. So this is, oh, Coco wants backup, y'all.
I can't.
She can't. Come on. We have a lot of stuff going on, y'all. We have so much stuff. So Coco, flowers, if you've noticed, Coco's up a lot higher now because this is her chair, but I put something on there for her to sit on. So we have some seating issues here. Anyway, this is Pump Up the Glow. It's from the Creme Shop. I haven't seen these in TJ Maxx. This is a hydrating rose water mist, helps maintain hydration and smooth skin. So I guess you can use this as a setting powder or as a whatever kind of powder, setting powder. Setting spray, it's a spray. She said it smells nice. Let's see. Oh, it does smell nice. You smell it?
No.
Oh, here. Man's in here now, but you can't see him.
I smell it. I like it.
He's right there. I love this mister too. Love. You want some? Okay, close your eyes. Good job, Coco. Yep, then you got to do that. Okay, more bubblies, more bubblies. We have a bag here and it says fun sparkles for the ladies. Oh my God, the girls are about to go crazy, y'all. So she got each one of the girls a little necklace set with bracelets. Coco, do you love it? Yeah? Okay, good. Good. You want me to open this one? Donnie, that's, oh my gosh. Coco. Unicorn. We have a red bag here. It says, whenever I see bright bows, I think of my sis. She's always been larger than life and pushing the envelope. I have always loved huge bows. There are pictures of me as a child with a bow the size of my head.
Tita.
Jojo Siwa for Tita. She thinks this is Jojo Siwa. Tita loves Jojo Siwa. Do you want to wear one of these? Which one?
Pink.
Pink one. Okay, Mama put it in your hair for you. Hair.
It's pretty.
It is so pretty. Show everybody, Coco. Show the camera. Oh, I meant show them your hair. Oh. Yeah, you like it? Hold on, we got more surprises. Okay, Coco wants to leave again. We've got a bag full of Seattle treats and our favorite rub. It's delicious, perfect for the summer. Does that say rub? It might not say, oh, it is a bunch of Seattle stuff. Okay, so we have the Space Needle. And what is this? Oh, Seattle chocolate. Lord knows I need more chocolate. Oh, Coco went to take all the girls their bows. Oh, it is a rub. It's a steak rub. Okay. My husband loves steak, so this looks nice. It is Rub with Love Steak Rub, gluten-free. I think this is probably from a small-owned business in Seattle. You can kind of tell by the packaging here. This is Tom Douglas. Cowboy steak. So I want to smell it, but I don't want to open it up and spill anything in the room. Sprinkle Bitch sticker. Look at this sticker, y'all. That's kind of me. And this is from Cupcake Royale. So I guess it's probably a cupcake place. My sister does actually really love cupcakes. We've got some Joe Chocolate Pike Place Medley. This is a special edition espresso bar. I think maybe this is from Trader Joe's. I don't know. Seattle, Washington. Maybe it's not and it's just called Joe. One bag of Joe equals 1 cup of Joe. Oh, so 1 bag is like having 1 cup. Coco's back. We've got chocolates here. Seattle chocolate, you're my hero. We've got Fair Trade Hazelnut Crunch. I love hazelnut. And then we also have a honey almond chocolate. You can't? You need help? Oh, bless you. There you go, pretty. So we have a postcard, and she says, apologies, my knucklehead wrote on the back of this, this is a fun, small, woman-owned business. Be intentional, shop small. Looks like her husband wrote some notes on the back of this. It says, thank you for your order. So she must have ordered this from this business. This is Malicious Women Co. Pure Maliceness. I think that's what it says. So, comes in a cute box. I think she did mention that she was waiting for some things to be shipped. Cute box. They have Instagram. OMG, grab your phone. You'll want to share this. Oh, it actually smells really good. So we have a BITCH balm, bath balm. I should be putting some of this in my IG stories. Oh, This smells so nice. We have some little candles here. Oh, they smell really nice, and it comes with actually a really nice, this is a way better bag than Boxy or than Ipsy gives us. And then is this a candle? Please be a candle. Illuminating the way one candle at a time. It's a candle. Oh, it smells good. So happy. Y'all, I'm going to put this in my Instagram stories. I am, because that is so, dude, this has got to be more than 50 bucks. Not even lying to you. We have a purple bag. This is from the Purple Store. Yes, everything we sell is purple. Their website is www.thepurplestore.com. And here it says, support local farms. The Purple Store at Pike's Place Market. Okay. They even have a purple bag. There's more stuff in here. Hold on. Yo, we got so much stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we have a lavender soap bar. And we have a lemon lavender. It smells nice. Can't really smell through the packaging on this one. Okay, and then we have a almond cocoa vanilla bar. This is a pamphlet from them. Oh, Coco's dropping stuff over there. Pure organic skincare that protects. Oh, they have a whole bunch of different stuff. This is all the stuff that they sell. Check out their website. It's thepurpleshop.com. Y'all, my room is gonna be a mess. Oh, also got some business cards for them. So their Instagram is the Purple Store. Their Facebook is the Purple Store Fan. And then we have Moon Valley Organics Beeswax Lip Balms. I could use some more lip balms because I've stopped buying them, and now I'm kind of like running a little low on it. Oh, let's talk about the lipstick of the day before I get sidetracked. So we're starting our own lipstick line. Yay! And this one, I did some polling. This is the most favorite. Let me swatch it for you. This is what the shade looks like. They don't have names or anything yet. We're still working on logos and business name and everything, but we're getting there, so stay tuned for that, because that's coming eventually. We have this little flower bag here. It says, my pre-K class loves flashlights. She's a preschool teacher, I think at maybe a Catholic school church. So got a bunch of flashlights, which is, I mean, the kids will actually love these. So, and they all work. This is actually great, because each kid will get a flashlight and they will love this. Coco, look. I shouldn't give this to her now because she'll blind y'all. Look. Wow. Yeah, so that's actually oddly a really cool thing. We have a brown bag here. It said, picked because everyone loves fun things from Daisio. That's that store in the, careful Coco. That's that store in the mall that I actually went to the other day and put some stories on my Instagram stories of me in there, because they do actually have some pretty cool stuff. Coco's just trying to get the flashlights. Okay, so we've got, each kid got some glasses. So we've got white with a red bow, and we've got a purple bow. Coco's playing with the flashlight. Pink bow, and then Min got some black and red ones, so that's cool. Then we have this milk. Oh, and you can see through the sides, it says, sorry, no cookies, more Daisio stuff. Am I saying that right or wrong? More Daisio stuff. I really like this tin. Okay, so we've got, what the heck's this called? What is this called? Sanitizer. We got a sanitizer, another little sanitizer. The time we live in now, you can never have too much sanitizer. We've got more sanitizer and another one. So each kid gets a sanitizer. I really love this packaging. It says milk, but look, it's pink and it really goes with my room too, and it's see-through. Look how cute that is. So I'm definitely keeping that tin. Then we got some lip balms. We got a watermelon. We have a raspberry, grape, and a peach. So we are stocked up on lip balms for sure. Okay, y'all, we're wrapping it up. Honestly, I kind of thought there would be more makeup. I'm not disappointed because the kids will love all of this stuff, and she is definitely more focused on children than adults. I think she's an amazing teacher. And her students genuinely love her. She's a very kind soul. Anyway, we've got some stickers. Y'all, have a love-hate relationship with stickers. It's probably because I'm the mom, so I'm the one having to scrape the stickers off of everything. But I do sell stuff on Poshmark, and I thought like, oh, I always write a thank you note, and I thought I should get some stickers to put on my thank you notes. So we actually have some princess stickers here that I may keep for myself, some ballerina ones, some fairy, and some tea party. So I may keep a few stickers for myself, actually. I will link my Poshmark below. Y'all, Coco is turning on all the flashlights. I never thought that that would be a good thing for kids. This one, oh, I didn't even read the note on the sticker thing, y'all. It says everyone loves stickers, which is true, which is definitely true. And then she got this, and it says, because representation matters, peace and love. Oh, y'all, I kind of want to cry at this one. I am enough. Representation does matter. And let me tell y'all something. We're getting off topic here. When the girls were born, Coco is obviously darker than Yaya, but I remember somebody even saying, oh, she's cuter. And she was talking about Yaya. And then when we would go places, people would always go to Yaya and say, oh, she's so cute, and never say that Coco was so cute, when Coco was literally the most adorable baby ever. She had these fat cheeks, these big eyes, and beautiful eyelashes, just like now. But people would always be drawn to Yaya. So I think that this is actually... this brought tears to my eyes. This is actually, I think I might love this more than anything else that was in the box. It's a New York Times bestseller by Grace Byers. The pictures are by Keturah A. Bobo. Not sure. I'm probably, y'all know I butcher everything, but I love this. You've got little girls playing, rainbows, just happiness. Kids, I like this. I like this a lot. Okay, y'all, this video is so much longer than I expected it to be. There's so much stuff, y'all. Anyway, let's finish it now. If you haven't already, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, click the bell, and all those good things.